Today I am in a trade as of right now, looking for a short. I changed up my bias, originally looking for a long, right? But things happen. We had a liquidity sweep here. Boom. So what am I looking for right now? All right, so coming in, I was want to look for a long because of that daily imbalance. We were getting some momentum to the upside, but now this is what I'm looking for, just a calm little 1 to 3 to right here. So what it is, the trade, we got a sweep of these internal highs, right? I had to switch up my bias, right? I started to see some momentum to the downside. We placed an SMT here. Now, I knew this wasn't going to be a liquidity sweep when we came here to the 5 minute, right? At first, we were like right here. We didn't really take out these relative equal lows. And then I was like, okay, we have this imbalance. I'm expecting this to want to come trade back into this imbalance, and then we continue to go lower. So, um, yeah, this is kind of where I'm gonna be trailing my stop. Um, because with evals, the best way for me, or I personally think the best thing to do with evals is you want to make as much money as possible as an eval. You want to pass it. You want to keep as much relative profits as possible. But I don't want to just look to just get stopped out. Um, so I'll keep my stop right here above this body. Um, it's gonna be in profits, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna be at break even. Uh, so we took out this hourly sell side, but if we kind of look at the time frame that I'm on right now, I'm expecting this to still come down and at least get this right here. So this is a setup. Uh, think it's about like $400, somewhere around there. I am up 287, so well, I want to see us start to get some speed down here. I took this on the 5 minute, hour 5 minute lineup perfectly. I like how the look at the way this hourly candle is starting to look. So as we start getting more sellers, more momentum, whatever, this is where I'm overall just trying to get right here, right? This sell side low right here is my target. This is my draw on liquidity. All right, so want to see speed eventually, and then we just start to move down lower. Um, I'm just taking really smart setups. Got one in the AM, so this is perfect. All right, let's pull back to that 5 minute gap. So once this candle closes, I'm going to put my stop right here. Actually, let's just fuck it. Stop's going right here. If we get stopped out there, it's kind of fine. We're relatively in profits, but I want to see us get some speed here. We're almost about to clear over 400, about 400 ticks. So off of this right here. So this is really good. This is a clean fucking setup. This is a great setup right here. So don't want us to edge this. I want us just to break through this. But if we try and decide to go back up, it's just cool with me. But yeah, we're super close to TP. So like yeah, I want to just see us right there. So come grab this, you know what I'm saying? And then we'll go from there. It's 7:54 is relatively early. No crazy news. So if not, uh, you know, see what happens. So uh, yeah, I'm definitely gonna hold this right here and see what happens. So as we're coming back down, so back into that 370, 380 tick range. Okay, Gonna trail my stop a little more. This was a good candle closer, so now we should just better just come down and take this out. No problem. So, and this is how you just trail stop. So this is where I put my stop at where I put my break even line at, where I decide to go break even. Approaching TP, so close. TP smacked. There we go, guys. Perfect trade, perfect execution. 101 on the day. Just a little bit off of that 2000 mark. Houston, great trade. This was a trade for the day. I'm going to give you guys a whole breakdown of this trade and what I wanted to do really fast. Okay, so let's go. It's a nice little trade recap, you know what I'm saying? All right, so boom. Originally coming in today, I wanted to look for longs towards this buy side. Reason why here, we inverse this gap, right? Then we started getting a lot more selling momentum coming down. We had this bullish SMT here on the daily, so I wanted to see that stay up. But we started getting rejection. We got below this 50% mark. We got below equilibrium of this fair value gap, letting me know, okay, sellers are most likely going to come back more into the market, right? So boom, seeing that, go to the 1 hour, right? We were up here, right? Somewhere up here. Um, we got a liquidity sweep of these internal highs. We place it. We placed in this 5 minute SMT. We made a new gap here. After making this gap, I expect the price to, okay, we traded into this gap, took an entry off of this gap, and looking for this sell side right here. I could have left the runner as well. But yeah, this was actually a clean setup. I could have took it on uh what is it, minis. I mean, yeah, on minis, but it wasn't really aligning. And it only went in with two cons because I was trying to keep good risk. But it was perfect trade, perfect A plus setup. We cleared over what? Let's see how much money did we clear on here. $447. That's a good amount of money. I should have probably just went in with like three, but it was just a little more than risk wise I didn't really want to take on. Um, but yeah, so good trade, good execution. If I get another one, I'll record it and upload it. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It's another trade for a win, and see y'all in the next one. Peace.